If you're trying to reinstall your Microsoft OneNote on your Windows Store and it does not let you, you are probably experiencing issues in installing Microsoft OneNote if the Windows Store cache is corrupted. To fix this, we can show you some possible solutions that you can try to resolve the problem. First is you have to make sure that your application works with Windows 10. Ensure that your Microsoft OneNote application is compatible. That usually might impact your PC stability and performance. The next solution is you have to make sure that your Windows has the latest update, and you can do that by selecting the Start button and then select Settings. On the window that appears, select Update and Security, choose Windows Update, and then select Check for Updates. If there's an available update, select Install Now. You can also update your Microsoft Store by selecting again the Start button and then type Microsoft Store. In the Microsoft Store, select Library from the categories on the left and then click on Get Updates. Now, if an update for Microsoft Store is available, it will start installing automatically. And those are the methods that you can try to install Microsoft OneNote again. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.